Hey guys, welcome back. That's right. Celebrating Dads continue here on Cup of Joe. I am extremely excited because as I told you, we're celebrating dads, but today I have chef friends that dropping by to showcase some meat. And when I say meat, I mean meat. I want to thank the folks at Creekstone Farms for making this one possible. I have out of Krave restaurant, Chef Dominique Beans with us today. Chef.
Hello, good morning. Good day.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for being here. So Chef, I hardly seeing you because I can't help my eyes. My eyes are not staying on you. It's going on to the meat.
Yes.
That's a hell of a piece of meat you have there, Chef.
Yeah, today we're gonna do a ribeye steak.
A ribeye steak. That's a ribeye.
So this is the whole ribeye. So we're gonna cut it. The ribeye, this one is halal. Very
Right.
important. This one, the Creekstone, is halal.
It's halal.
Yes.
Very
so
important.
everybody can have this one. So we're gonna cut, and then I will explain you the marbling, and then we will go from there.
Right. So the Creekstone Farms steak is it comes like this, or you can get it individual as well.
You can get it
Individually as well, right?
They sell it
right.
in 8 ounce, in 12 ounce.
Right.
You can get the cowboy. All right, this one is boneless. So if there is a bone, if the little bone, then you have the cowboy steak.
Right.
That is a ribeye with a short bone.
With the short bone.
When you have the long bone, this is the whole ribeye. Now they take it off of the bone. But if you have the whole bone and you take the bone longer, then we are talking about the cowboy steak.
Right.
So some people, they call it the French lollipop.
And all those fancy things. But
Exactly.
this one is boneless. We're not confused.
This is boneless,
Boneless.
so it is easier. It will cook a little quicker with
Yes.
the bone. Always it takes a little longer, but with the bone is always more special.
All right, excellent.
So this is more or less a 12 ounce.
I was about to ask you how much. Yeah, that's what, a 12 ounce.
This is more or less a 12 ounce
Nice.
ribeye.
So that's 2 for me.
Yeah, 2 for you. Yeah, because the rest is for me.
The rest So what are you doing with these steaks today, Chef?
So we're gonna grill it, and then we're gonna this one, the ribeye, we're gonna make it in a red wine reduction.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So with a baked potato in the oven, and with grilled corn in honey. With honey.
Grilled corn with honey. So nice dish for dads. Very, very simple, easy dishes to do. Grilling some ribeye steaks here with Creekstone Farms. Go ahead, Chef. All yours.
So we have prime, choice, select.
Nice.
The prime is with plenty marbling. This one have a little bit marbling, and the select, then it have almost no marbling. The marbling is also how juicier the meat is.
The fat.
How
The
fat
fat.
component, so it will be a little softer. So this is a nice one. So we're gonna put a little salt and pepper, right? So like here in Trinidad, they like a little spicy.
Right.
So,
Yeah. We like it a little spicy.
yeah, so we can put a little extra pepper.
Would you like put some extra chili flakes or chili powder on that?
From the moment you put more and more spices, less and less you really get the taste of the meat. And these nice meats,
You want to taste the meat.
you want to taste the meat,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So don't over
Season it. Don't over season it.
Don't over season it with
Yeah.
all the spice. I know you all like here plenty.
Trinis, those, yeah. So Chef Beans is actually out of Belgium, but he's well traveled. You've been to Panama, Chef.
No, I was in Belgium. I worked plenty years in Belgium. I used to work in 2-star restaurants in Belgium.
Yeah.
And then I left Panama. I went to Panama. Then I went back to Belgium. Then I went back to Panama. And now I'm here in Trinidad.
I know you're here in Trinidad.
So I'm already 7 years here in
7 years here.
Yeah, time goes very quick.
And yeah, time flies.
Yes. So we're just gonna put a little drop of olive oil, not too much, and just put it on top like this. So now we're gonna put them on the grill.
Straight on the grill.
Straight on the grill. All right. So the grills are nice and hot. So this is the noise that you love to hear.
You want to hear that sound. The timing of the steaks grilling on one side.
So
very important. How yeah.
So a rare is just a few minutes on each side.
Yeah.
A medium rare is like 3-4 minutes on each side. Then and so we go up. 6 to 8, 10 to 12.
Yeah.
But the easiest, when I put my steaks, I just grill them, right?
Ah.
So you see, you get the nice grill marks on it.
Oh.
It's the same. So nice and golden brown.
The aroma of steak on the grill.
Yes.
Yeah. I think we should do a cologne. So you spray that all over you before you leave home.
Barbecue people, when they come home,
yeah.
they smell totally. When I do a whole day meat like this, on the end of the night you smell the meat.
Yeah.
The dogs come to me, they want to bite me. They say, "Oh, a nice piece of meat."
So Chef Beans is actually a brand ambassador of Creekstone Farms, and so you know the steak very, very well, Chef.
Yes, we sell it in the restaurant, so it's a very high quality steak.
Yeah.
And like I say, we have plenty Muslim people in the restaurant, and this is halal.
Yeah,
this is
halal.
very important. This is one of the rare farms in the States that have halal steaks.
Nice.
Not everybody have halal steaks, right? So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put it a little bit in the oven. You can do it in the grill or on the pot, but then you have to keep 1 minute here, 1 minute there. You have to keep turning around so that it cooks evenly on both sides. Right? So normally a steak like this will take 6 to 8 minutes to cook
on the grill.
On the grill.
And then in the oven.
And in the oven it will take also the 5-6 minutes, but it's more evenly cooked than just here on the thing, right? So just a little oil on the tray. Also not too much. Right. So I'm gonna put this in the oven.
That's about medium rare now, you think?
Well, no, right now he's still rare.
Still rare now.
He's still nice and rare.
Right. So you could get in the oven now to bring it up to probably about medium.
Yeah, medium rare, medium. I don't know. How you like your steak?
I like mine medium.
Medium?
Yeah,
Alright, then we will go a little bit more than the normal.
Yeah, just medium. So I want a little pink inside.
A little pink.
I don't want to see blood oozing.
Oh, right. But
You like to see the blood oozing.
I like to see the blood.
Do you like?
I'm a little bit vampire.
Yeah, you have a vampire. Yeah. So
know.
I want to see red inside, but I don't want to see it bleeding.
We European people, we like.
You European people, very, very different.
We like red steaks. All right. So in the same pot, in the same grill.
Right.
In this case, here on this one we cannot, but on this one,
Yes.
we just put a little butter now. All right. Then we add some onion.
So it's a red wine sauce.
We're gonna make a red wine sauce.
Yeah.
So a nice red wine. So
What a way to celebrate dads.
see.
I have some glasses here, Chef. I don't know if you recognize.
Oh,
I have some
right.
glasses.
Sorry.
Yeah, you didn't. Chef didn't recognize my glasses. Just pour 2 glasses for us. I mean, yes. wanna thank you. Could probably do a quick cheers. Yes, cheers.
Gezondheid.
Hi, yeah. Celebrating that. Want to thank the folks at Amco for making it possible. Wide range of ingredients. They're responsible for Creekstone Farms.
Yes.
But also the President line of butters and creams as well.
Butter, cream. Now we let it reduce a little bit, that the strong taste of the wine go out a little bit. And then I'm just gonna add some, I make a little stock home to put a little stock in it. So also a meat.
Would that be a beef stock, chicken stock?
A beef stock.
A beef stock.
Yeah, I make my beef stock with the little pieces of the meat that are left over,
Right.
or the pieces that we really don't, not too much fat, because then the stock will be too greasy.
Right.
But we have little pieces of other meats or bones. We use the bones to make the stock, and you get a real nice
Beef flavor.
beef stock. All right, we let it reduce a little bit, and in the time, we're just gonna grill a little bit our corn. Right. So So we just put it here on the grill. We just will melt a little bit butter with a little honey, and then later when the corn is grilled, we just put the honey with the butter on top at the moment that we serve. Right.
You describe this as a steakhouse meal.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. This is a nice steakhouse. This is a steakhouse meal. This is a really nice. The ribeye is one of the best cuts of the whole beef. After that, we have flank steak. We have the top sirloin, what we will cook for next week.
Nice.
Right?
Nice.
So
You're
then
coming back next week? That's what
I come back. If you still want me to come back.
Yeah, well, after what I'm seeing here, I think I want you back next week.
I hope after this I still can come back one.
You can come back.
So we will see, and then so we have melted the butter. So we put the honey.
I like how you smoked up my kitchen.
Yeah, it's to put a little bit. This is when you do live cooking.
Live cooking, yeah.
So we can ensure that people see that we are really
We're
cooking.
really cooking.
Yeah,
We're
exactly.
really cooking. Yeah.
So the corn is getting there.
So that's basically like a glaze, chef. Butter, honey, just like a glaze.
Yeah, just a little glaze. So what we will do here, I will put the corn inside.
Right.
So it will get a little. I know people on television, they cannot smell,
Unfortunately, they can't smell.
but it really gets. So we cooked some potatoes in the oven before. So now that before we take it out, we just put a little bit the potato here so it can heat up a little bit together with the rest. So the steaks, the best is to let them rest a little bit so that at the moment that we start cutting them, not all the blood runs out.
Yeah,
So if you let them rest a little bit, so we put it on the board. And then we just cut.
Against the grain.
You see the temperature.
Yes.
So he's a nice medium rare. So we're gonna put our potato with it. So the potato the same. We're gonna cut just a little cut here in we just push it a little bit so it's nice open. Then again we like plenty butter. We like
I had a
plenty
feeling you were going in with butter there, yes.
So we're just gonna put a little bit butter.
That's a little bit.
Yes. So our honey, glazed corn, and then we have the sauce in the middle.
But I could run that sauce all over the steak.
I prefer like that also with plenty.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, chef, can you do me a favor? I just want a little piece of that steak to taste.
Yes.
Whereas as you present that dish, that's a fantastic looking dish, chef.
All right, so now it's the moment there to
So
have a
you're
little
ready.
try.
Oh. So we can.
You see, nice and juicy.
Nice. So guys, this is the life.
You see the steak, nice and juicy, really soft. So it is important to let him rest a little bit. So when he rests, really the juices and everything stay inside, and you get more flavors out of it.
I want to thank Chef Beans for passing through. He told me he'll be back next week. He has more steak to do, more ideas for us. Simple, easy to do on the grill. Steak is not that intimidating. You can just follow some simple steps and you can do some very, very good steaks. What's important is that you get Creekstone Farm steaks.
Exactly.
Good quality meat, halal. I want to thank the folks at Creekstone for making it possible. Chef,
Thank you very much for having me.
when we come back, I do dessert.
Very nice. I want to taste your dessert.
Say a prayer. Roll Out a Recipe comes to you courtesy Creekstone Farms. Premium Black Angus beef.